So, I haven't made a video in a long time. I mean, I really haven't. So, I thought I'd, just make a video now. Opening up 3 packs of Forbidden Light. And I'm kind of excited because I haven't opened up this set yet. This is an entirely new set for me. And I went to GameStop, so I got this cool Zygarde card here. Very neat looking. And I got 2 of these. But yeah. So, got 3 packs of Forbidden Light. Now, obviously the artwork on the thing doesn't determine what's on the inside. So, about to find out what the artwork on the inside actually is. Alright. Got 2 Naganadel packs and the Zygarde 100% form pack. Alright, so let's do Naganadel, Zygarde, and then another Naganadel. So first pack. This set that I've ever opened. I don't want to look at the color of the code because I don't want to spoil it. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Alright. So, starting things off, we have a Fennekin, Litleo, a Furfrou, Inkay, Magnemite, Metal Energy, Ultra Recon Squad, Fossil Excavation Map, Lysander Labs, a Noivern, which is a reverse rare, and it's a rare trainer? That's so weird. I haven't seen a rare trainer in forever. A Beast Ring. That's so weird. I have never seen a rare Beast Ring before. Or a rare trainer in a long time. I don't even remember the last time I saw one. Probably in like Phantom Forces? I mean, that's kind of like the last time I remember there ever being a rare trainer card. That's very strange. Very, very strange. Alright. We got Helioptile, Fennekin, Dewpider, Pancham, Inkay, Water Energy, Bonnie, Gabite, Tyrunt, a Skrelp Reverse, and an Executor, Alolan Executor. Regular rare. Alright. Come on. Last pack. Give me the goods. Give me the goods. Last pack, please. Okay, we have a Clauncher, Honedge, Helioptile, Furfrou, Goomy, Fighting Energy, Frogadier, Ennaporter, Gabite, a Gible Reverse, and a Guzzlord Hollow. Oh, so we did get a Hollow. Not too bad. I actually haven't seen any, I haven't seen this card before, so that's kind of cool. So, we did get a Hollow out of this, which is not bad. It's not bad. I don't know how playable the card is, but, you know. And we also did get that reverse rare Noivern. So, this was a little bit of a shorter video. I will admit that. Well, as always, thank you guys for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel. And as always, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.